Hey, what's up, guys? I am gonna try to sing the song if I can get through it by Jill Scott. It's called Hear My Call. Here I am again, asking questions, waiting to be moved. I am so unsure of my perception. What I thought I knew, I don't seem to. Where is the turn so I can get back to what I believe in, back to the old me and God, please hear my call. I am afraid for me. Love has turned me cold. I need your healing, please. Oh, please, please. I am such a fool. How did I get here? Play by all the rules, then they changed. I am but a child to your vision, standing in the cold and the rain, lost here in the dark. I can't see, no foot to take a step. What is happening? Oh, this hurts so bad, I can hardly breathe. I just want to leave. So God, please hear my call. I am afraid for me. Love has burned me wrong. I need your healing. Please, please, please. So God, please hear my call. I am afraid for me. Love has burned me wrong. I need your healing. Please, 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 please.